Before buying a Kabuki brush, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Laura Geller Retractable Angled Kabuki Brush. The Laura Geller New York Cosmetic Professional Makeup Brushes, the Retractable Angled Kabuki Brush, priced at $24. What caught my eye was its no-shed, high-bristle count design, which is a game changer for makeup application. If you want a brush that feels luxurious and blends effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This brush is crafted from high-quality synthetic fibers, meaning it's vegan and performs like a dream. It's perfect for liquid, cream, and powder products, delivering an even, streak-free application every time. You can easily build coverage with both pressed and loose powders, which is essential if you want that flawless finish. Plus, with over 10,000 units sold this month, it's clear that others are loving it too. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for their hands. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a travel-friendly option, this compact design is actually a plus. It's easy to toss in your bag without worrying about it taking up too much space. This is perfect for you if you travel often and need a reliable brush that can handle various makeup types. But skip this one if you prefer larger brushes for more coverage. For the quality and convenience, it's a solid investment. Now, if the size of the Laura Geller brush bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more generous brush head. Product number 2, Kashima Flat Top Kabuki Foundation Brush. We have the Kashima Flat Top Kabuki Foundation Brush, priced at just $8.75. What struck me about this brush is its dense makeup design, perfect for buffing and blending. If you're after a brush that gives you a flawless look without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters. The flat head design is fantastic for achieving an even streak-free application. With a head diameter of 1.2 inches, it's ideal for all types of foundations, liquid, cream, or powder. The synthetic fibers are as soft as real hair and don't absorb foundation, which means you get more product on your face and less wasted in the brush. Plus, it's rated to prevent shedding, so you won't find bristles all over your face. Now, some customers mentioned that it can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, after a couple of uses, it softens up nicely and provides that blend you're looking for. It might take a little patience, but trust me, it pays off. This brush is perfect for you if you want budget-friendly quality without compromising on performance, but skip this one if you like more flexibility in your brushes. Honestly, for under $10, you're getting a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger areas. Product number 3, EOIC Extra Large Body Makeup Brush. The EOIC Extra Large Body Makeup Brush, priced at $9.99. This brush caught my eye because of its 75mm width, making it perfect for quick, even coverage. If you're looking to apply self-tanner or body makeup effortlessly, this is a must-see. Here's why this matters for you. The oversized brush head is designed for blending makeup across larger areas like your legs and arms. It's ultra soft and hugs every curve, delivering a streak-free finish in no time. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to reach tricky spots, ensuring you get that flawless look wherever you need it. Plus, it's been flying off the shelves with over 4,000 sold recently. Now, some users reported that it can be a bit bulky for detailed work. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly applying body makeup or tanner, that size is actually a benefit. It saves you time and effort, giving you confidence as you prep for the day. This is perfect for you if you often use self-tanners or body makeup, but skip this one if you need precision work on your face. At this price point, it's a fantastic addition to your beauty toolkit. Now, if you're concerned about the size for detailed work, the next brush is designed for versatility. Product number 4, Baby Sheep Blend and Blur Kabuki Brush. We have the Baby Sheep Blend and Blur Extra Large Body Makeup Brush for $9.99. This brush features a 3.2-inch round head that's made for seamless blending. If you're looking for something that can cover a lot of ground quickly, this one's worth your time. Here's why this matters for you. The large brush head allows for efficient coverage across your body, making it easy to apply self-tanner and bronzer without any mess. It's designed to hug your curves, ensuring even coverage all around. Plus, it's made from synthetic fibers that are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is a nice bonus for conscious buyers. Now, some might find it a bit too large for facial use. Here's the thing though, if you want to speed up your body application process, the size is a huge advantage. It's perfect for those who want to get ready in a hurry. This brush is perfect for you if you frequently apply body makeup and want to save time, but skip this one if you need more control for your face. For the price, you're getting a versatile tool that can make your routine much easier. Alright, that was a great choice for body makeup. Now let's wrap things up with another Laura Geller option that's designed for precision. Product number 5, Laura Geller Airbrush Kabuki Brush. We have the Laura Geller New York Retractable Airbrush Kabuki Brush, also priced at $24. This brush caught my attention because it promises an airbrushed effect, which is something many of us dream about. If you want to achieve that flawless high coverage look, stick around. Here's why this matters. The densely packed bristles create a smooth finish without leaving brush lines, making it perfect for both liquid and powder foundations. It's travel-friendly and easy to use, ensuring you can create that perfect base on the go. With 3,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite. Now, some users mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky in smaller hands. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a brush that delivers high coverage and blends like a dream, that weight can actually out to the control. This is perfect for you if you want a brush that can handle high coverage applications effortlessly, but skip this one if you prefer lighter brushes for everyday use. For the quality and results, it's worth every penny. The top 5 Kabuki brushes we've covered today feature a range of options to fit your needs. From the travel-friendly Laura Geller brushes to the budget-friendly Kashima and EOCCHO, there's something for everyone. Each brush offers unique benefits and features, ensuring you can find the right one for your makeup routine. Happy brushing!